stage again as well, so it just makes us so hungry.
And finally, what about the reaction of the fans at the end tonight? How much did that mean?
Absolutely amazing. They've been first class, you know, right through.
That they just add in terms of their goal tally.
Well, they have to, and
Yeah.
you know. But I'm just looking at the age group now. For an England squad to have 10 players, 23 and under, you know, against either France, Portugal, or Germany in the next round, it's going to be very, very tough. And it's probably Gareth Southgate's biggest headache now, who to pick for this next group stage game.
Whether they got France, Germany or Portugal, one of the teams in group with that, at least they got the home advantage, and that probably can be significant for them going forward.
Yeah.
They say, you know that they say strikers win games and defenders win tournaments. We've given them all the accolades going forward, the ability they've got there. I'm looking at this defence who've not conceded in the tournament so far, whether he's played Stones and Maguire as a central pairing or throw in a Tyrone Mings if one of the two of them are not available, and yet they've kept that defensive consistency. I know that...
Yes. Uthi nafuna ngiqhaphaza. Ufunda ngoba la imatch isiphelile. Hawu ngiqhapha ngithi ngabe idlele ngaka. Hala ngiqhaphaza futhi manje. Hey. Hayi.
Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibuka ama-video ami. Ngicela subscribe if uthandile into engiyenzayo. Sazoqhubeka uploada every week. Every last week kwenzenjani? Let's do it. Bekune problem. Yo guys, cela subscribe. Subscribe, like lapha. Comment abafethu. Yeah, and share.
Yeah, ngiyangazi nami ngumthaza mina ngifuna ifake la ngithanda videos. Kodwa ngiyabuya nesimanga.